guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video we are going to be making scalp psoriasis treatment for my business Lavish Curls Beauty. So if you're new here, I am the owner of Lavish Curls Beauty. I have two collections. I have a scalp psoriasis collection and I have a hair growth collection. So the scalp psoriasis collection is one of my top selling products from the scalp psoriasis collection, and that is a treatment that you use once a week prior to shampooing your hair that helps to remove flakes, reduce flare-ups, calm itchiness, and this has just been a top seller for the past 5 years. So I need to make some more today, so I'm going to be taking you guys along and showing you guys a little behind the scenes of making the product, showing the ingredients. And if you are interested in purchasing this product for yourself, link is in the description box at lavishcurlsbeauty.com for my scalp psoriasis treatment. And this is an all natural product, nothing harmful. And yeah, let's just get into it.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, till I put the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a violin. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I'll come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for why?